I'm having a classic Monday where I'm exhausted, I'm tired, I don't have any makeup on, I haven't washed my hair. We had a long weekend at the expo, the Alive Expo, which was incredible, and I'm trying to balance books and do numbers, and some of you might know I'm dyslexic, so it takes me a little while to like do all my numbers, and they're giggling so hard in the other room. It's so contagious. Joy is contagious, guys. I was like almost asleep with the computer light and all the numbers, like a matrix, blah, 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 zoned out. And now I'm like, I find myself sitting here and I'm giggling with them. I'm not even in the same room. Happy Monday, Lumineers. My name's Jamie Butler. I'm at the Center for Love and Light in Atlanta, Georgia. Some work environments are just different than others. Mine right now at the Center for Love and Light is full of laughter. That's the way you start a Monday morning, right? You want to see, don't you? You want to see it? I kind of want to see it. Okay. Every work environment's different. No judging. This is just what goes on here with us. Okay. That's how much we affect each other. Happiness, joy, laughter, all of that, it really heals. Is if you need some laughter, if you need some giggles, my God, you can provide it for yourself. They're doing it. Laughter yoga. Just pull out your giggles. All right, Lumineers, here's to some laughter. Have a good time. Very good.